Hey guys, before we get to today's topic, I just wanted to say thank you to all of my subscribers. I just recently surpassed 500, and while I know that sounds like a very small number because there are channels that have thousands and even millions of subscribers, 500 is a pretty big deal for us small YouTubers who are just getting started out. It's so cool to have watched my channel grow, and I hope it continues to, and I'm really happy to be a part of this lawn care community. So thanks for watching my videos. Please share my channel, and now let's get to today's content. Alright guys, welcome back. I just wanted to show you the update on the construction area and how I repaired this whole area from all the construction utilities. This main spot, I had showed you guys in previous videos. I was going to redo this anyway. I essentially tore it all up, and because I knew there was a lot of big rock underneath the soil here, not allowing the grass to get good root systems. And I was absolutely correct. There were probably a handful of rocks about this size, along with a lot of small angular rock that was very shallow in the soil, not allowing grass to grow in. So took all that rock out, put a couple bags of soil in this area, leveled it out, seeded it, peat mossed it, and have been watering. This is a little over a week's worth of germination, or I'm sorry, this is a little over a week since I seeded. I had germination around day 3 or 4. So that's this spot. You can see the grass is coming in pretty nicely, nice and even. And then in this same spot, I took some of the sod that was relatively decent, and I moved it to the box over here. And you can tell this is actually really nice. So this is some of the sod that was kept several weeks ago and wasn't planted immediately, and you can see it didn't take as well, but I was planning on reseeding that area anyway. And then this is some of that sod that I took from over here and filled in those areas. Once I was done placing all the sod, I overseeded that whole area, and you can see there's some little seedlings coming in that area and in this area. So all in all, really good progress on the construction area. I'm pretty pleased with how things look, and I think it's only going to get better. We finally are starting to get cooler temperatures. Last week we got hit with some temperatures up in the mid 90s with a lot of humidity. So this cooler weather we're getting should help this lawn bounce back really well. Along with the construction area, I just reseeded this parkway right here, and I'm getting good germination all around. So that's the update on the construction area, and just a few tips on how to repair a construction area is just try to save as much sod as you can, and then seed around that, save that sod, and then seed around that. It just helps with some of the recovery that you're going to have to go through. So I'm Ben the Lawn Guardian. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you guys next time.